Kungaloosh adventurers, welcome back to another TMR Tours, heading to Batuu. Obviously, it is dark because it is
3:51 a.m.
3:51 a.m. here for opening day. They were just letting in for the parking lot. Crowds are gathering out front. As you can see, the madness all the way up Hollywood Boulevard, holding the masses.
So we are gridlocked in at the gas station. It is 4:20 in the morning, waiting for Galaxy's Edge to open, and it is super hot already.
Muggy. The biggest concert event of the season, DJ Rex has come to Hollywood Studios! Woo! All right, we have some fans. The insanity. All these cameras, everyone's taking pictures, filming. It's like a press event, but not at all.
It is officially 4:50, and we are about to walk in.
One, three, four.
Thank you. Welcomed by the Imagineering staff, and we thank them dearly. Even these. Thank you for being
guys.
here. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Thank you for everything. You guys are amazing. The Falcon at night. Definitely fantastical in the Black Spire blue light, which is interesting. But yes. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and the Millennium Falcon look amazing, all lit up in the night sky. You have to see it for yourself. About 2 hours, 120-minute wait. Not terrible. Line did move. The first half hour, 45 minutes was a bit unbearable. Stacy will tell you.
It was hot.
It was hot, sticky, and but not too bad.
They are currently forecasting 300 plus minutes.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around there. All right, I'm making an executive. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
So just finished up Smugglers Run with these fine people.
Let's go.
Check out their designs right here.
Hi-Ho Design Co.
Hi-Ho's Design Co. Some fun stuff. Check them out. They were very fun.
Facebook, Instagram, and website. Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
And
HiHoDesign.com.
Come on. Excellent. Check them out. Great people, great designs.
Yes. Did some smuggling, early morning smuggling. Now some breakfast. We're gonna try out Docking Bay 7, see what their breakfast offerings are. Maybe a little later we'll hit up lunch as well. But let's go check it out. On our trip into Batuu, we did try some breakfast dishes, and they were all amazing. From the lava roll to the breakfast platter, and even the overnight oats. Another thing we really enjoyed and was surprisingly good was the breakfast Rano wrap. It was really a well-balanced breakfast meal inside of that fluffy pita. A couple more crazy things here from opening day. Obviously, crowds are huge, levels are up. Here is the end of the line to Doc Ongar's Den of Antiquities, and it goes, like if you know the area, it goes up and around Ronto Wraps. This is like a half hour to 45 minutes just to get into this merch store. Things here are off the chain. People are just waiting. They're so excited and they don't mind waiting because there's just so much to see, so much to do. TMR Tours was happy to be part of this historical day of opening at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh.